Why emotional safety is key to happy home. Have you ever felt like no matter how much you do for your family, there's still tension, outbursts, and emotional distance? What if I told you that the secret to truly happy, connected home isn't just disciplined routines or rewards, but emotional safety? Imagine a home where your child feels safe in expressing their emotions without fear or judgment. Conversations don't turn into power struggles, but opportunities for growth. Your family feels deeply connected, supported, and truly understood. The truth is, emotional safety isn't just a parenting concept. It's a foundation of happy, resilient, and harmonious home. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly what emotional safety is, how it affects your child's behavior and confidence, and 3 simple shifts you can make to create a home where everyone feels heard, valued, and loved. And stay till the end because I'll be sharing a powerful framework that has helped countless families transform their home environment forever. So let's dive in. Dear moms, have you ever wondered why your child shuts down, throws tantrums, or avoids opening up to you, even when you try your best to support them? The answer isn't in stricter rules, more discipline, or even rewards. The key to transforming your parenting journey is emotional safety. If you've ever felt frustrated because your child doesn't listen or pushes you away, struggled with power struggles, meltdowns, or emotional outbursts, wished your child trusted you more and shared their feelings openly, then this video is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you will understand why emotional safety is the foundation of a child's behavior, confidence, and mental well-being. You will learn how to communicate in a way that makes your child feel safe, heard, and valued. You'll also discover 3 simple shifts that will transform your home into peaceful, connected space. You will also learn how to break free from frustration and start parenting in a way that builds deep trust and lifelong connection. It's my promise that by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to turn your home into an emotionally safe space where your child feels deeply connected, confident, and loved, no matter what challenges come your way. Let me start with my personal story. A few years ago, I found myself stuck in the cycle of frustration and guilt. Every day felt like a battle. I would say, "Why won't you just listen?" And my child would say, "You never understand me." No matter how much I tried to teach patience, discipline, and responsibility, my child would either shut down or explode in frustration. Mornings were rushed, evenings were filled with homework struggles and power struggles. Bedtime, a constant negotiation. One night, after yet another meltdown, my child finally blurted out something that stopped me in my tracks. "I feel like you don't care how I feel. You just want me to do what you say." That really hit me hard because deep down I knew that I loved my child more than anything. But somehow they weren't feeling it. That night I started researching why kids resist, why they shut down, and why even well-meaning parents struggle to connect with them. The answer: emotional safety. I made 3 key changes that completely transformed our relationship. 1. I stopped trying to fix emotions and started validating them. Instead of saying, "Stop crying, it's not a big deal," I started saying, "I see you're really upset. I'm here to help you when you are ready." I created a safe space for open conversations. I started asking more and talking less. Instead of saying, "Why did you do that?" I tried, "What were you feeling when that happened?" I modeled calmness instead of reacting with frustration. When my child was having a tough moment, instead of raising my voice, I started taking deep breaths and saying, "We'll figure this out together." The result was life-changing. My child stopped shutting down. We had fewer meltdowns and more meaningful conversations. Our home felt so much lighter, calmer, and more connected. I totally realized that it wasn't about being a perfect parent. It was about making my child feel truly seen, heard, and safe. And guess what? When children feel emotionally safe, they cooperate more, they communicate better, and they trust us deeply. That's why in this video, I'm sharing the exact steps I used to create emotional safety in my home, so you can experience the same transformation with your child. So let's dive in. So let me tell you why emotional safety is so important in conscious parenting. As mothers, we all want to raise confident, emotionally strong, and well-adjusted children. But in the rush of daily life, school runs, homework, and endless to-do list, it's easy to focus on rules, disciplines, and routines, while overlooking the one thing that truly makes a difference: emotional safety. The truth is, without emotional safety, even the best parenting strategies fall apart. Emotional safety is what makes your child feel secure enough to communicate, cooperate, and thrive. When children don't feel emotionally safe, they shut down instead of opening up. They act out or have frequent meltdowns. They struggle with confidence, self-worth, and trust. So let's see why emotional safety matters to you as a mom. If you are raising a child between 5 to 18 years, you know that their emotions change rapidly. Some days they are happy, cooperative, other days they are moody, distant, and defiant. Common struggles that moms face are: your child won't talk to you about their feelings, power struggles over homework, chores, or screen time, frequent meltdowns, defiance, or emotional outbursts. You feel frustrated because no matter how much you try, they just won't listen. If you ever felt this way, you're not alone. Every mom has been there. But the solution isn't tougher discipline or stricter rules. It's creating an environment where your child feels safe enough to express themselves without fear or judgment. Think back to your childhood. Did you always feel safe expressing your emotions? Or were there times when you were told, "Stop crying," instead of being comforted? You were punished for expressing anger instead of being guided through it. You were afraid to open up because you didn't want to be judged. Now think about how these experiences shaped you as an adult. Many of us grew up suppressing emotions, fearing conflicts, or struggling with self-expression. Now, as parents, we have the chance to break this cycle. If we don't create emotional safety for our kids, they will learn to suppress their emotions instead of managing them. They may seek validation from the wrong places instead of trusting us to guide them. They may carry emotional wounds into adulthood just like we did. But the good news is, we have the power to change this starting today. When children feel emotionally safe, they come to you when they have a problem instead of hiding things. They learn how to regulate their emotions instead of reacting impulsively. They grow into confident, emotionally intelligent adults. Emotional safety isn't about being soft. It's about raising emotionally strong, resilient kids. As conscious parents, our responsibility is not just to raise well-behaved children. It's to raise emotionally healthy children. This means shifting controlling behavior to building trust. It means focusing less on immediate obedience and more on long-term emotional intelligence. When you make emotional safe as priority, you teach your child how to handle emotions in a healthy way, help them build confidence and self-worth, strengthen your bond so they feel safe turning to you no matter what. And the best part is, a home built on emotional safety is happier, calmer, and more connected. So, emotional safety is the foundation of a strong, connected family. When you create emotional safety, you are not just improving your child's behavior, you're shaping their future. And in this video, I'm going to share exactly how you can create emotional safety in your home so your child feels deeply understood, valued, and loved every single day. So let's dive in. Before we move on, I would say grab a pen and a paper so that you can take notes. This is the foundation of raising emotionally strong and confident, connected kids. Don't miss any point. Also, don't forget to watch this video till the end. I have a beautiful free bonus for you waiting just at the end of this video. Additionally, I'm giving you access to my community to build emotional safety and inculcate emotional regulation among children. Do not forget the link to that masterclass at the end. So stay tuned and let's dive in deep into emotional safety. Let's start by understanding why emotional safety is key to a happy home. Emotional safety isn't about sheltering your child from hard emotions. It's about creating that environment where they feel safe in expressing their feelings, making mistakes, and being their authentic self, without fear or judgment, punishment, or rejection. Here are the 6 key principles of emotional safety in a home. Number 1. Emotional safety is more important than discipline. Kids thrive in homes where they feel safe, not scared of making mistakes. Number 2. Emotionally safe kids open up more. When a child trusts you, they are more likely to share their thoughts and emotions. Number 3. It's a foundation of emotional intelligence. Children who feel safe expressing their emotions learn to regulate them better. 4. Behavioral issues are often a sign of emotional insecurity. Meltdown, aggression, and defiance often stem from feeling emotionally unsafe. 5. Emotionally safe homes raise resilient children. Kids who feel safe grow confident, self-aware, and independent adults. 6. Parents benefit too. When your child feels emotionally secure, parents become easier, more enjoyable, and more fulfilling. Let's understand that why emotional safety is important. Let's understand 6 reasons why emotional safety matters in parenting. Number 1. It leads to stronger parent-child bond. When kids feel emotionally safe, they form deeper trust and lifelong connections with you. Number 2. Better emotional regulation. Children raised in emotionally safe homes are better at managing stress, frustration, and disappointments. Number 3. Fewer power struggles and meltdowns. Kids who feel emotionally safe don't act out as often because they don't need to fight to be heard. 4th. Increased self-esteem and confidence. Emotionally safe kids develop higher self-worth and self-acceptance. 5th. More effective communication. When children feel emotionally safe, they communicate openly and honestly instead of shutting down or lying. 6th. It breaks the generational cycle of emotional suppression. Many of us grew up in homes where emotions were dismissed. Creating emotional safety breaks that cycle and gives our kids a different experience. Now, let's finally deep dive into 3 powerful techniques to make your home emotionally safe. First, validation over fixing technique. Many parents jump straight to problem solving when child is upset instead of validating their emotions. Emotional safety means acknowledging feelings before fixing it. So how would you do it? Replace "don't cry" with "it's okay to feel this way." Always get down to their eye level when they're upset. Mirror their feelings before giving advice. Example, "that sounds really frustrating." Allow time and space for their emotions before offering solutions. Say, "I'm here for you," instead of dismissing their feelings. For example, instead of "it's not a big deal, stop crying," say, "I can see you're really upset about this. Do you want to talk about it? Number 2, the safe conversation technique. Children need to know they can talk to you about anything without fear and punishment, ridicule or dismissal. How would you do that? Have no judgment listening times. Let your child speak freely without interruption. Ask open-ended questions. What was the best or the worst part of your day today? Normalize talking about mistakes. What did you learn from that situation? Avoid immediate lecturing. Respond with curiosity instead of criticism. Use "tell me more about that" to encourage deeper conversation. Create safe zones. For example, instead of "why did you do that? That was a bad decision," say "what were you feeling when that happened? Let's figure it out together." The third powerful technique, calm and connected parent technique. Children mirror their parents' emotional state. If we react with frustration or anger, they learn to do the same. Emotional safety starts with our ability to stay calm and present. Take deep breaths before responding to a tough situation. Acknowledge your own emotions. I am feeling frustrated right now. I need a moment. Use a pause button. If you are overwhelmed, step away before reacting. Model self-regulation. I am upset, so I am going to take a few breaths before talking. Use I statements. Instead of blame, say "I feel concerned when." Apologize whenever necessary. Show that it's okay to make mistakes and it's okay to apologize too. For example, "I can't believe you did that. What were you thinking?" Instead of this, try saying, "I'm feeling really frustrated right now. I need a moment, and then we'll talk about this calmly." Fourth technique, the rupture and repair technique. Every parent makes mistake, loses patience, and says something they regret. What matters is how we repair the connection afterwards. Own your mistake. I should not have raised my voice. I am sorry. Acknowledge their feelings. I see that you are hurt and I understand why. Ask what they need to do to feel better. How can we fix this together? Reinforce that your love is unconditional. Tell them you will love them no matter what. Teach them that mistakes are a learning opportunity. Move forward, hug them, play with them to ensure a better connection. When your child feels emotionally safe, they listen more, trust more, and connect with you deeply. In this video, I've walked you through real life strategies you can start using today to create a home where your child feels truly safe, seen, and heard. Don't forget to download your free bonus on Emotional Safety Roadmap. Also, like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Share it with a friend who would love to create emotionally safe home in the future. And most importantly, if you're ready for a deeper transformation, join my Raising Emotionally Strong Kids Masterclass to learn how to strengthen your bond through emotional safety and handle meltdowns without power struggles. Here's to raising emotionally resilient children together. I'll see you in the next video.